This is now back from the framer. I had a really good buy when I bought the frame used at a charity thrift store. My framer told me that frame is from Italy, metal, and it works perfectly with some of the images in my gefilte fish here. So this work is going to be a gift from me to the building where my mom lived from around, I guess, 2008 till this month, May, and she passed on at age 100. And so the drawing was originally black and white ink on paper like that, without any of the color or all that, just all the black ink lines with the exception of the fish. And my notes at the time stated, view from roof of church at Scottish Guesthouse next to tower room towards Jerusalem's old railway station, Shabbat morning, May 17th or 19th, 2007. So there was the railway station building, and like a large, like an oil drum and some other little structures that were there, and the trees were all there, and the kind of horizon line with the trees and so on. And then in 2017, 10 years later, I decided this boring drawing needs some colorization. And I added all the blue, the green, this kind of whatever color that is, kind of beige-like. And I had an epiphany, and I added the gefiltes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then had the newer inscription. While sketching from the terrace at the Scottish Guesthouse in the Jerusalem sun-blessed heat, I was faint from hunger and probably dehydrated too, and I began hallucinating my lunch. Baked Kinneret, Sea of Galilee, gefiltes bathed in garlic and horseradish. Postscript, copyright 2017, Segan. All right, the train station, by the way, was eventually remodeled or whatever they call it. It's now like it's like an arts and film center, I understand. Some of the other notes in here were written in 2000 when I did the original first part in May 2017. Blue, yellow, red, whatever that structure was. Only one curved pipe, perspective PP. I don't remember what that was about exactly. Looks like 4 scaled windows, each is painted sky blue on upper and sea green blue on lower. I'm referring to those there. From distance, looks like giant aloe plants with 2 or 3 trees behind it. That was there. Upper awning, evergreen tree, green. Lower, looks like I didn't draw the actual tree. Lower, intense sky blue, not pale blue. Anyway, notes to myself. So there you have it, my hallucinated Sea of Galilee, aka Lake Kinneret, gefilte fish lunch, bathed in garlic and horseradish. All right, there you have it. I'll get myself in here too, just for the record. All right.